You're wondering what I'm going to cook today? Even I am. I have these two teenagers coming home who have a sweet tooth. I think I should make them a dessert. Let me make an eggless chocolate orange mousse. Let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to melt these dark chocolate chips by this double boiler method. Along with this, I'm going to add some golden syrup. Now this measurement has to be very precise. Some orange juice. The chocolate is melted and we can leave it aside to cool. Now I'm going to whip the cream. So, these two girls, they can't wait. The cream is nicely whipped now, and so we're going to add it to our melted chocolate. Yeah. Now I'm going to zest one orange. This will add a nice orange flavor to our mousse. You can't go wrong with an orange dark chocolate mousse. Sinfully delicious. Now I'm going to mix this melted chocolate in the whipped cream. Chocolate is now at room temperature. It's important, otherwise we're going to have a soupy chocolate mousse. Fold it in. Now our mousse is ready, and you can either serve it in a communal bowl or in this little dessert cups. We'll garnish them with some mandarin orange segments and mint leaves. Dark chocolate, orange and mint, a perfect combination which everybody loves. Now let's see what these girls have to say. Come on guys.
That's really good. It's really good. Tasty.
Yep. Easy to make, easy to please. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
That's a wrap!
Wow!